Okay, am I running? Okay, yeah, I'm running. Sweet. Okay, hello everybody. Welcome back. It's day 3 of me trying to learn Python. I'm trying to make a game out of it. So I'm gonna just continue off where I left. I'm not gonna do any process as well, actually, I'm only going to keep processing the game, live streaming it. I'm not gonna do it, not streaming it. Yeah, yeah, exactly. So every time, the only time the game is going to keep getting updated is by me live streaming. So we're just gonna get started on that. Um, to all the new viewers that are in the channel, thank you for watching and thank you for just seeing the challenge that I'm trying to do to myself. I do know some stuff of how computers work, but I do not know really much about programming. So I'm just trying to learn off the bat just by searching documentation that I have found online and also just using the AI to see if I can actually do anything about that. But as always, guys, thank you for watching. So let's just go ahead and get started with everything that I want to do right now. So let's just start up Visual Studio. So I did like the objective of the game, decided to change it a little bit different. So I think I'm gonna do as in enemies will chase players. So if they touch you, you're going to be captured and you're going to be stuck in that zone until a friend saves you from the capture zone. So basically, that's the type of objective that I have rather that I have now for this game to actually be loading and running. Because right now, this is all that I have here for the game right now. Oh wait, let me open the Explorer so I know what I'm doing. Put that a little smaller. So this is what it is right now that we have. I did delete a line of code because it wasn't working, so I need to double check that. So honestly, I'll be using a lot of AI just to understand and help me around on how exactly code works because I really don't understand it that well. Just gonna run the game. Okay, so basically this is what we have so far from the last video. We were able to make these 3 extra enemies, but I didn't want to make 3 more. I just wanted for the indicator to pop up, which was a little bit confusing. I believe that it's working for these guys. Well, it is working for these guys because it literally says it right there. But I'm not sure on this one since he's in another position. And I am not sure if the line is stuck as in like their viewpoint. So I need to change that as well. Same for the other guy, which is the Sparty Pants ones. Yeah, he's just really quick. The other's slow. He's just like a smarter than everybody else. So I'm just gonna close the game and see what can I change now. Let's see. To anybody watching, thank you for watching. Just gonna continue on. Okay. So I was left up here. Now then, the jet of the game has changed. So I'm not really sure, but I do want to add more for the NPCs. Do forget what I'm doing. Like I really have bad memory, but if I do like repetitive, it'll start to just stay with me. I guess muscle memory that would be called. Maybe some sweet tea. I wonder. Okay, so this is the distance for the entity. I still don't understand how this actually works. Like def or for or if. Okay, yes, so I'm just gonna close that out because I want to try to get the mechanics first set up before I add text or anything else to what I'm doing right now. Okay, so let's try to fix. What should I fix? Okay, I want to run it again. Um, so we added the indicators. Okay, let's add 2 lines and let's make the map bigger. So I think we're going to remove the walls. Yeah. So the walls, let's remove them. So I don't think we're gonna need them right now. Okay, let's run that. Okay, no wall, no nothing. Okay, now we're back to a little bit 0. So I want to add some lines to this. Um, let's see, how can I put this, close that out. See, I still only have one monitor, so I might be looking at this a lot, so to see if anybody's chatting. Oop, what is this? Okay, this guy. So I do want to add 2 lines since I actually want everybody here. Oh, good. Okay, well, now that I think about it, I could just add a wall, another wall. Wall 1, and let's add those 2 walls. But we're going to add like the safe zone. How does, oh wait, let's change the colors to red, red. Okay, this is what I want. Now from here, I want to expand that and I want to put it below. So how does this work? So put this in 1, same like that. Okay, wait, now that I think about it, not a line, it's actually, let's increase the scale. How much would it be if I put 50? Yeah, okay, that's big enough. It's really big. Wait a second. That's odd. The game doesn't The game pauses if I jump off. Oh no, it doesn't pause. It's me. Okay, so I like this 15. That size is good. Put it into 0. The same for the other one. 15, 0. Man, I'm a complete beginner doing this stuff. Yeah, that's not what I want. Negative. That didn't do anything. Gotta be thinking math all day. We gotta be good on that. That didn't do anything. That didn't do anything either. So if I were to make this 15, same as this one. Wait, is this a value? It's a variable. Okay. Okay, I want to change that to capture zone. One, capture zone, 2. Um, why is that floating? Okay. Plane, the scale to your the flat is 50. What if I put 1? Would that make any difference? No, it did not. No, wait. I need to change that. I need to change the position of where it is. So put it on 0, on 0, and okay, I don't think that's gonna work. Is there another collider? What are you suggesting? Capture some 2. No, don't add that. Okay. Run the game again. Doesn't look flat. Okay, wait a second. I think I need to put negative, negative. Mm, is that level? Okay, I don't want that. Mm, mm, wait, if I'm gonna make it like this as in my capture zone, maybe I should just make like from here to here. If they get over here, then they're in the capture zone. Okay, I think that's better. Um, I'm gonna change this from box to the world map. Okay, I think I know what I want to do. Okay, I want to set two capture points. Furthest line as in actually no. If we do it like that, it wouldn't make sense. I want to set two capture points for testing. If player reaches the zone, they are stuck there for 10 seconds. Since the scale of the world map is 50, 0, 50, I want to capture points divided left and right, but don't use the entire map. Um, Okay, so the suggestion, yeah, we don't need that. So choose a variable, 10, capture some dimensions. Okay, so you take 10, okay. Wait, I need to make a new model? You want me to make it like that? Okay. Capture some dimensions. So wide 10, some depth 10, and the height. Just try it like that. And now left capture. So you want me to make, he suggested me to make another entity visible. Ah, collider. Okay, this little piece I just don't understand this little bit. Um, yo, what the heck? Why is this like that? I see why. Capital. Now it's gonna be, there we go. Let's fix. So you put it like a collider. So I'm guessing it's visible. What's next? Add uh, player lock is false. Control flag. Okay, I actually want to see what this actually will do. Okay, so this is supposed to be the lock function. Define lock. Okay. Okay, so it is an invisible. Wait, what? It's invisible here. I don't get it. Okay, I'm gonna make a demo. New file, demo. I need to see what the heck you're trying to show me. Because this just doesn't make sense what you're trying to show me. Let's see the demo, what does it do? Um, okay. It's, huh? Wait, I'm not falling? Why am I not falling? World map, entity is a collider, okay. Player gravity, shadow no gravity, yeah. Okay, it's not even what I want. Okay, let's actually change something here. It's going to be the original. Let's see if I get a different idea, because that idea is not working. Okay, let's see if I just put my objective. I want to see what idea gets me. Uh, New idea. Um, Use simple distance. Check for enemy logic. Um, so wait, so I should make another player. Oh, yeah, technically, yes, because this is going to be like for multiplayer co-op, you could say. Oh, that's bad. Well, no, it's not bad. We can see this. Wait a minute. Is that? Oh, geez, I gotta change a lot of stuff. Okay, that's alright. I'll just do that. Let's see, did I miss anything? No, I did not. Okay, now I just need to copy this. Wait, player one. And I'll just make the code again. Exactly, player two. And let's put all that there. Player two, player two, player two, player two, player two. I hope this doesn't break anything. Oh wait, I'll need to make a second hand. Shh, crap. And entity player one. So hand one, that will be for him, hand one. And now here would be, I know, hand two. And I just need to copy all this. Space, hand two for player two. I have no idea. Will it make another person actually? Huh? Line 29 in start game player enable control. Did you mean player one? Line 29. Oh crap. Okay. Oh shoot. I need to change this as well. So yeah. So player one. Okay, I don't wanna have control. So hand one. Okay, so I'll need to make another one of these functions to start the game for no, if I put for both players, yeah, okay, just put both players. No, then how would that work? Let's launch it. I want to see what happens. Yep. Okay. Something is that's not working. Um, so if I change this to false, I shouldn't be able to move, right? Yep. He doesn't move. Oh, crud. Did the game froze? Yep, it's frozen. Okay. Um, change that back to true. Now I need to make this a new function. No, this is for player one. Now I'm just gonna make the same one for player two, but player two won't be enabled since I don't have somebody else. But what happens if I just do like that? Will another one spawn? Okay, Okay, so that fixed the issue, so we can sprint again. Okay, so I actually want to leave him as false for now. And since he has his own hand, actually, wait, where was it? Uh, leave it as true. He has his own hand. So player one will have yellow and player two will have red. There we go. Start. Wait, what? Wait, what? What the heck did I do? Player two. Oh, it overridden. I'm guessing. Cut. Put this first. It should be yellow. Oh, it overrides it? Okay. What does it override it? I don't get it. It overrides the. Oh, wait a second. I think I need to change. This is about variable. Okay. I need to change that as well. Okay, this is why I change it, because this mouse and that, it's multiplied. This is overriding the commands. So this needs to be changed. Since, okay, this is all gonna be player one, so this is one, that will be one. Um, Player two, mouse two, mouse two. I hope I'm doing this right. Um, okay, I also need to change this mouse to one. It's not finding it. Um, okay, this is player. Oh, crap. Wait. Player sprint. Wait, this is player two. So mouse two, mouse two. It's gonna say it's not defined. It's not defined. Did you mean mouse? Oh my gosh, I'm a little bit tired. Um, So why isn't it not taking it as a okay? I want to see fix using Copilot. What does it tell me? You should replace all reference to mouse one and two with mouse, as Ursina provides a global mouse object rather than per player mouse object. Really? So it won't override it. So it won't override it. Oh, okay. Then just leave that out how it was. If that's the case. I still don't know why it override this one and turn it to red. Okay, so what if I change this to true? What would happen? It's still red. Okay, either way, so I'm gonna leave this as false because we need a player two right now. Oh, are you serious? It stops working? But why? That's why I made two different names, so that doesn't happen. Oh my god, I don't get it. Okay. I put player two on on false. But as wait. Player one. I put player two on full as I run with player one. He stopped uh he stopped uh he stopped moving. Why? I made two different names so that does not happen. Player one and player two for the variable. What's wrong with the code? I'm good. The issue in your code is that you define two functions with the same name. Def. In Python, the second overrides the first, so only the last function. When running target, it executes the second version, which says player 2 enable false, but does not enable player 1, causing player 1 to be non-functional process. Rename the function to have distance name. Oh, you're serious? That's it? That's why I did that? Then call the correct one when starting. Start player 1 or player 2. Bonus tip: if you're using buttons or key input to decide which player is starting, bind the correct function. Okay, I haven't done this part, but I do want to add that now that he tells me that. Okay, so that was a way. So this is a function. Can I name the star game to anything that I want? Yes, as in Python, you can name your function anything you want as long as it follows the standard name group. Function name must start with a letter AC or underscore. Can contain letters, digits, numbers, and underscore. Cannot start with a number. Cannot use Python keywords like div, class, if, for, etc. Example of valid function names. Okay, okay, okay. Invalid will cause error. Two player def. What? Oh, okay, so it has to be underscores. The stars or underscores. Good practice. Use clear and descriptive. Okay, so in that case, start game uh, for player one, and this the score start game for the score player two. So if I do that, then hold up a second. Hold up a freaking second. Here. True. I do want to add this. Button text. Um, select um, player one or player two. Yes. Player two. Player one. So I think this needs to be here. Okay, wait. This is an error. Start game for there. That was an error. for oh, whoops, there, run it. Uh, start game. Start game is not defined. Text 15. 15. What do you mean? Oh, that's right. The window panel has um okay, we don't have it defined. Okay, start game for player one. Now it's defined, but pretty sure I'm gonna have another error or not. Okay, so there it is. Now on player one. Oh, but my running now my running is not working. Oh, and that's still working. Okay. Um, title, start menu. Could I like add it? Add like a second one? No, that doesn't work. Okay, won't I need to? It's a bit confusing what I'm seeing there. Okay, position and show the start menu. So this is what I have. Okay, this is a function. For the window panel. Um, so this. Um, Oh wait, crap. Now I see why my sprint is not working. Cause I oh no wait, I did make two of them. So it's supposed to be working. Okay, let's see if it finds an issue. Fix. Huh? What, who, what, where, what? What the heck? What the heck happened here? Ah, this is why I don't like to use the AI sometimes. Okay, yeah, this is not working. Now it's moving. Hmm. Okay, uh, that's not working. It's all right. I actually feel very tired. I think I can stream for a little while more. Okay, to the new people coming into the chat, thank you for watching, guys. If you do have any questions about what I'm doing, even though the title says it's clear, ask your questions away. I don't have another monitor, so this is how I'm basically seeing everybody. Yeah, but that's not working. It's not doing what it wants. Okay, I need to think about this. How long have I been streaming? Look like I'm gonna cut it short. It's been an hour. No. I'm gonna keep going. I'm gonna keep going. This challenge will not break me. Um, I want to see if okay. So I made a few changes, but some stuff are not working. I want to see what the AI has to say for me. Um, the player sprint is not working. Okay, the player sprint is not working. And as for the menu, the start menu, can you add or fix the players added into one menu? Let's see what I suggest. Problem. Input function is overridden. You define input twice, so only the second one works, and it's handling only player. Which one did I define twice? Use a shared input function for both players. What? Well, yes, I made two. You mean this, the input? So doing it separate wouldn't be better? So I gotta do it all together? Okay, define if player one, L LF player two enable. Okay. If key shift. That's it? Really, that's it? I just gotta change that to this. So it's basically take this, cut that out of there, go back here, put it here, and player one and two, sprint and input handling. And now CS delete this and that, and CS add LF. LF, no, don't give me that suggestion. LF player two enable two dots. Let's put the comment here. Player two input handling. And here, player one input handling. I think that would be better. Put it on the side. So I put that. Now if let's shift 20. Okay. Player selection buttons are missing. We're trying to put the player selection button inside the start function, but they don't get shown. Well, yeah. Update your WP, your window panel. Oh, so I gotta put it all together, not separate. Okay, so that's actually okay. Fine then. I'll just put the buttons together then. So just here, add the buttons. Why is this one like that? Wait, they're not defined. Wait, there's something wrong here. So okay, wait. This this needs to go to the bottom, I think. Cut. title, scale, the content. These buttons are not doing anything. They're not like connected. Why isn't their color changing? Okay, so this, okay, that stays the same. Fine. Now, final touch. After your start functions, make sure your both functions enable only one player. Say what? Player one, enable true. Here is false. Oh, put them the opposite. So I can have this separate instead of just one. Okay, some stuff this doesn't make sense. Okay, but in a way it does make sense. Um, player two, enable false. Okay, I do like this. That does make it like faster. Player one. One true, one false, and here the opposite, full, false, true. So one, two, false, true. Now you have a single input function for both players. Okay, but I think I did something wrong here. Is this okay? Is this okay if I run the code? Okay, your code is missing commas. It's missing a comma? Where? Incorrect version you're using. Where is it missing a comma? Oh, man, this really is. Wait, not this one? But it's not defined. Start game underscore for player one. Okay, oh my god. I'm gonna go crazy. I swear to you, I am gonna go crazy. Fix. Wait, what did you change? Okay, what did you change? Button, text, start, okay, comma. Oh my god, I'm so stupid. Really? This is gonna make me go crazy, I swear. Okay, I'll see if I can launch it. That's okay. That's another one. So pick player two, not defined. Okay, you know what? I'm a bit tired. I don't think I can handle this. I'm gonna continue tomorrow, maybe bright early. Okay, guys, I'm gonna take a break. I'll fix this later. Line 88. Handle player two. Um, of course, is not defined. Wait, why is this here? Handle player two input key. I don't need that. Okay, I don't know why is this here. So take that off. Like, why in the hell was that there? Fix that. Huh? Expect that. Okay, so man, these spaces really make me crazy. So if I click start game, okay. Now if I do this, okay, player one. Okay, sweet. The sprint is not working for player one. And okay, that's working. Player one. Wait, what? He switches to player two. Okay, go to player two. And it doesn't work. Exit. Okay, that's alright. We'll fix that later. Okay, guys, I'm gonna call it quits for tonight. I was just gonna continue for the next day if I do have the energy. I'm pretty sure I will. As always, guys, I do thank everybody who is watching the stream and trying to see if I could keep this going up this challenge. Because honestly, I really just want to learn how programming works. And obviously, I gotta use the AI so I can try to understand everything. Because here the point is, the AI is the teacher, and I'm just studying how exactly it learns. This is basically a tool. So the point is to me learn this and not depend on this whatsoever. Because I honestly need to try to do this like this. Find documentation so I can just have the muscle memory in my head so I know what the heck I'm doing. So as always guys, I thank you all for watching and I will see you in the next one. As always guys, have a good one. Goodbye. Enjoy the rest of your night.